Oh, hello, I'm a dog. It's been an interesting couple of months. A new step in dog life, I suppose. I met what appears to be my competition. Another dog in the family. I'm not sure if it's competition or we are supposed to be friends. Anyway, I bit him a few times. He wouldn't stop rumbling around, bugging me. He's very little, seems young. I have always been aged and mature, so meeting the puppy was annoying for me. I spent most of it sitting high up where he couldn't reach. He's called Hamish. He is a poodle just like me. I enjoyed only one part of the puppy meeting, and that was meeting other dogs, because there were two of us. Usually I'm alone and dogs run up to me together. This time though, I had my own dog pack. Overall, I think one day we will be friends. If he stops barking in my face. Thanks for listening to my poodle story. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next week.